Hey everyone, this is Kathleen with Windy Chaos, and we have a sweet little back to school kit for you today. It's a wee whisper kit, so it's one of the smaller ones. Basically all clip art with a few little labels at the end, but a really fun color palette, and you can pair it up with all sorts of things that you can find on the Windy Chaos library. So let's take a look. We've got apples, ABCs, an alarm clock, some cute little backpacks, and some little bows. We've got bunting and headphones and highlighters, pencils, colored pencils, crayons, glue, calculator, a globe, a bus, and a little sweet treat from Starbucks. We've got some fun little note paper with words on it. This will be the best year ever. Summer days are over. And then it repeats, summer days are over, but it doesn't have the big sun on it. And then we have an iPad, a laptop, scissors, paper airplanes, the sweet little schoolhouse. I just love that. And this cute little lunchbox and a little great job star. Some notebooks, books that are all tied together, and then these little sticky notes are really cute. So you have one that's a single, and then you have a 2x2 and a 3x3, and you can go in and just crop these apart to make them a whatever size you want. The fun thing on the 2x2s is they have these cute little hearts on them, and everything is in this fun little watercolor that I just love. Then we've got a cute little ruler. And then on the next page, we've got our text, which is back to school, adventure awaits. It's a beautiful day for learning. Books, pencils, and big dreams. Ready to learn, ready to shine. Learning is my superpower. Learning looks good on me. And then we've got these sweet sunflowers because it's that time of year when the sunflower fields are just gorgeous. And then we've got this page that's all labels and corners and little planner shapes that work really well with widgets. And then these fun little gift tags and ribbons that go with that as well. And then our second to last page here, this is for just really fun, just going into the elements, all kinds of elements that you can. Takes you over to Dropbox. And then you've got all of these things that you can choose from. So you've got days of the week, you've got icons, you've got numbers, you've got little popcorn planner kits from my first digital shop that are really cute, but they were more of an adaptation of paper stickers kits. And so I took a little break, came back with a whole new format and a whole new shop. So, and that was, over a year ago now. So I really love what I've got going on now. And then this last page just kind of gives you links to the shop, the YouTube channel, and the Facebook group. And then you've got these sweet little pinwheels that match the color theme as well. Oh, and I was going to point out on each page, you've got the color palette and hex codes that go with it. So let me just show you the mock-ups real quick. Here is one in a rings planner. How cute is that? I think it's darling. And then we've got it in a landscape where we just use a couple of stickers but use them really big, and I think that works so great. And then you can do most of your planning like right on the little iPad there. And then, oops, I always do that, sorry. That's an older kit that I redid a mock-up of. And then here it is in portrait, and here I use that 3x3 stickers, which these would be so great just for a weekly setup. Just boom, there's your days of the week. This is so cute. So anyhow, I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out darling. And as always, the Wee Whisper kits are a really great price point, and they just bring a lot of fun to your planner and don't cost a ton of money. So Thanks, guys, for watching, and take care. I'll talk to you soon.